Spanish Cadets ShipOwner 515. There are many ship owners complaining there are no supply of officers, but in Spain we have the opposite. We have about 400, 500 cadets that they don't have ships to really do their internships, their apprenticeships. So please think very seriously about this and contact Candina because we have these solutions. These cadets are living in Spain. It is 50% tiki-taka world commerce. It will continue to be perpetually like this. Unfortunately, we have been really born in the most marvelous place, planet Earth, but we are really at the center of the world maritime commerce, which is Spain, and therefore that means that this investment in the cadets will be here to stay. Some might think, oh, perhaps I bring the cadet and the Spanish flag and perhaps it's karma. Yes. Others perhaps think, oh, I bring the cadets because I have LNG straight into Spain, or LPGs now going from America, USA to Europe because it's growing very much indeed. Others may have rope access and so on, but think that if you invest in the future invests in you, and we have a responsibility in this planet to help those that are younger because we had also hard time when we started. So please think in Candina as a solution to your chemical, LPG, tanker, LNG, and stop complaining. There are cadets around, but perhaps you need to adapt to the times. The times, they are changing. Employ Spanish cadets. Thank you. Bye. And contact Candina. Thanks for your time.